I'm on her birthday.
Oh, come on. Actually, this part. Come on. This is a dumb one. Oh, man. You people do. At least I can still move my body parts.
Yeah, that's true.
True.
I've always wanted to do this. I'm sorry. Love you.
True.
Yes?
What are you doing wearing winter pajamas?
I don't know. What are you doing wearing super short shorts with really long socks?
Nobody can see me.
Cute. Work it, Mom.
Come on.
Work it.
Stop.
Work it.
Stop.
Work it. This is very humorous. Let's see, what's Mom trying to do? She's trying to do that. And she's doing it like